he was so, exhausted at one time after one swim. And then again he was taken into water. He was allowed to be into water without a life jacket. And that's what actually I want to know, why he was not being taken care of when his manager was there, when his team member were there, and some members of Assam Association were present there. They were cheering when he was looking so exhausted and he was so tired and he was trying for help to get a boat or something, some help. So मुझे वही जानना है कि एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था और क्यों ऐसा दिन हमको देखना पड़ा. We have lost, not only I have lost my husband, but we have lost the icon, the legend that everyone was connected to, and then everyone had loved him. So we have lost our icon, our cultural icon. So that is a huge loss, not only for me, for my family, but for our entire region, for our entire country. No, I spoke to him on the 18th, and till 18th night I could see from the videos that he was, singing around, he was enjoying his evening. And then he never mentioned me about this picnic or whatever plan had been happened to go for a yacht ride. Normally he is very excited about such things, and then if he had known, that's my thought, okay, if he had known, he might have told me that tomorrow these people have been planning something like this, so we will go for a yacht ride or some kind of outing. But he never told me. So I feel that even he himself didn't know that there was some such kind of a plan was made. And then he was taken during the daytime. Mostly he sleeps. And even if he have some shows or something, then he loves to rest before the event. So he was taken, maybe forcefully he was taken for that. And then he was taken into water and all such things. Then I don't even know, we had sent his medicine. He was on a medicine because he had 3-4 seizure attacks before. So he had to have one life-saving medicine. He was taking Levipil every day. So I don't even know whether he was taken care of about the medical assistance also. But there I can see there was no proper security system, or there was no medical assistance. So when he was taken to hospital, that was quite late, very late actually. So I trust in the legal system. I think the investigation will be properly taken care of, and Assam government, even our honorable CM, is taking the thing very seriously. So investigation will be, will happen in its own way, in a very proper manner, and we will get the justice very soon. I have that faith. 19th, when he was taken out of water, that time only I spoke to Siddharth. I asked him several times what is going on, and he said that we are not getting the pulse properly. He was the Coast Guards and some people are giving CPR to him. So I was really shocked because he never had any heart problem or something. So first I heard that he had seizure attack inside the water.